Hi everybody, my name is Doug. I'm going to be unboxing this mattress right here and giving you my first thoughts on it. This is the SleepOvation Mattress, and this particular one is a queen size. This mattress is very unique, very interesting. It's called 700 Tiny Mattresses in One, as you can see on the box right here. It's a mattress that is designed for back pain relief, and it's endorsed by several professional athletes. So what makes it 700 Tiny Mattresses in One? Many beds have individually pocketed coils. It's a hybrid. This one does as well. But instead of having just layers of memory foam or latex or any sort of comfort layer on top of those coils, each coil has its own individual comfort layer on top. I'll show you that in a little bit once I get it out of the box. And then I'll comment on it, but before I can show it to you, and before I can comment on it, I gotta get it out of the box. So I'll do that now. Here we go. All right. What do you think? That was well wrapped, 3 individual layers of plastic around it. Of course, it was vacuum compressed. If you have any sort of physical limitation, you might want to get help. It was kind of right at the edge of what I was able to do on my own. At one point during the unboxing, I did have to flip it over to get the correct side down. So, initial impressions. While I'm sitting on it, it feels kind of soft, but kind of firm at the same time, if that makes sense, which it probably doesn't. Part of the sensation is, any mattress in a box, you want to give it a couple hours, maybe 4 hours to air out, and then an overnight period to fully expand, generally. Yeah, it feels different. It has, it almost feels like firmer under my low back. Part of that might be because my low back's just a tad sore from the unboxing, but I think that's part of that individualized response. So that might take a few nights to get used to. Like most bed-in-a-box mattresses, it has a 100-night in-home risk-free trial, so if you don't like it, you can return it for any reason during the first 100 nights and get a full refund. I'm probably not going to sleep on it for 100 nights before I do my review, but I'll plan to get in at least 10. That's the plan anyhow. So check back in a few weeks and we'll see what the results are. And let me give you just one more quick look here at the guts of it. So here's these tiny mattresses. On top of each individually pocketed coil is a piece of high-density memory foam, and each one can adjust individually. So, if I push my hand down, the ones around the hand react, and the others don't. That's what makes up the 700 Tiny Mattresses. So click right over here to subscribe to this channel. That way, when this review is done, you'll be sure to see it. And click right up here for all of my other mattress unboxing videos. Hey, have a great day.